Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by Central Avenue in Kingston, and this massive building we're looking at is located at 3 Central Avenue. It has two towers that are 12 floors each. And what's unique about this building is that it's going to have the first sky bridge in Jamaica, or I should say the tallest. It a sky bridge is where you connect both towers, and each tower is 12 floors. You're going to connect both towers via a sky bridge. So you don't have to go all the way to the bottom, to the lobby to go to the other side and go up another elevator. The both towers will be connected at the top. And this is a residential tower and it's being done by Ripton Construction. So we're going to give you more information on what's happening here. And the building is at 12 floors now. They've reached the height. And this is architecturally a really nice building. We can't show you the finished pictures in the video because of copyright, but the design of this building, it's going to look like the Rogers. All right, so we're going to give you more information on this. The construction of the Sky Bridge at 3 Central Avenue in Kingston represents a bold step forward in Jamaica's urban development and architectural evolution. As the demand for modern high-density housing increases, developers are being pushed to adopt innovative designs that maximize space while enhancing the quality of life for residents. The Sky Bridge connecting the two high-rise residential towers stands as a symbol of this transformation. Traditionally, residential developments in Jamaica have been low-rise and spread out, reflecting the country's suburban style of living. However, with limited land availability in prime urban areas such as Kingston, there has been a gradual shift towards vertical construction. The project at 3 Central Avenue exemplifies this trend, featuring twin towers rising approximately 12 stories and linked by an elevated sky bridge. This architectural feature is not only visually striking but also highly functional. The Sky Bridge serves several important purposes with the development. Firstly, it provides seamless connectivity between the two towers, allowing residents to move easily from one building to another without descending to the ground level. This is especially beneficial in a secure gated complex where convenience and safety are priorities. Secondly, the bridge is expected to link shared amenities such as recreational spaces, fitness facility, or lounges, fostering a sense of community among residents. In this way, the structure promotes interaction and creates a more integrated living environment. Beyond its practical uses, the Sky Bridge adds a level of prestige and modernity to the development. Such features are commonly found in major global cities, and their introduction into Jamaica's real estate market signals a growing sophistication in design and construction. It reflects the country's ambition to align with international standards in urban living, appealing to both local professionals and overseas investors seeking contemporary housing options. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.